Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix. Today I'll show you how to hide photos on your iPhone and lock them with Face ID for extra privacy. Hiding photos using the Photos app is simple. Open the Photos app, tap Select in the top right, and choose the photos you want to hide. Next, tap the three dots icon, then tap Hide. Confirm by tapping Hide Photo again. Done. Your photos are now hidden from the main gallery. To view hidden photos, go to the Albums tab, scroll down to Utilities, and tap Hidden. If Face ID is enabled, you'll need to authenticate first. Now, here's an important step, locking your hidden album. Open Settings, scroll down to Photos, and make sure Hidden Album is turned on. Then enable Use Face ID. This adds an extra security layer, so even if someone accesses your phone, they can't view your hidden photos without authentication. And that's it. Your iPhone hidden photos are now completely secure. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to ClickFix for more iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching.